All right, so this is gonna be a quick video. Probably might not be so quick actually, but you can skip around. So it's hard to look at this because my camera is actually down at the bottom. It's in a weird spot on my laptop. But I'm actually going to close my webcam in a second, so you can just see my screen. And what this is going to be, a video on where stuff is generally in Google Classroom, but also specifically in all of my math classes. Now it's going to be the same for Algebra 1, Geometry, Algebra 2, Bridge to College. They all have the same topics, so they're all going to have. I'm going to get rid of the embedded video of me, and then I'll go in and show you. So this here is a class that I created, and I am now a fake student within this class. So if I was one of you guys, you would have probably Algebra 1 or your science class, maybe your PE class, your NAV class. So this is the main page of Google Classroom, and you should see all of your 6 classes that you have. All right, your first period, second period, third period, fifth period, sixth period, and seventh period should all be in here. And then NAV. So seven Google Classrooms. So I'm gonna go into this class. Main spot, you guys have probably already seen this if you watch the other videos, is the stream. So the stream, everything I post, and it'll be I'm going to keep it in the order that I posted in. So all of these will be in the order that I post them in. And every day you're going to want to read whatever I post. All right. Sometimes I'll just post directions right in there, and the first thing you do is you go and read in there. Okay, that'll actually be the first thing that I want you to do every single period, is I will want you to highlight. I don't know what I can do. I don't know what I just did. No, cancel. Don't share something. I thought I could hide cursor, focus mouse, alt. So here, this first one, every period, the first, if the period starts at 8 a.m., I want you to get on Google Classroom and at 8 a.m., I want you to read the first post at the very top, because there's either going to be a Zoom link or there's going to be directions on what you need to do to start the class. So at the beginning of every class, I want you to read the very top post in the stream, right? We're in the stream up here. You got classwork, people, and stream. So in the stream, I'm going to want you to read the top post at the beginning of every single class, all right? So another important thing you can see over here is upcoming. So for this fake student that I made, all right, they have something due tomorrow. They have assignment 3 due tomorrow at midnight. And on Friday, they have an assignment due at 3 p.m. for vocab. So this is a spot where you can quickly see everything you have upcoming that needs to get done quickly. Now, if I go to classwork up here at the top, I will see all of the different things. So over here, I see all the different topics that there are currently inside of the Google Classroom. So far, we have daily assignments, we have some vocab, we have some lesson videos. So those are going to be YouTube videos or Screencastify videos that I've posted into Google Classroom. We're going to have some more videos. So these lesson videos will actually be, they will be the first video. They're the initial, like what you would see in a classroom if you were sitting in the desk or at the table and you were watching me give the lecture on what the concepts are and maybe a few example problems. The extra problem examples videos, these videos here will be a video that is entirely maybe underneath the document camera where I am just solving a bunch of practice problems that you can watch and pause and follow along for step-by-step videos on how to solve things. Then we have some teacher notes. I'm going to try and do my best version of some color coordinated notes. Now, obviously, people take notes differently. So let me know if the notes don't work and you need some different notes, and I can make different notes and get those in there. We're gonna have some resource links. So that might be like a link to the Desmos graphing calculator or a link to a Khan Academy lesson. So those will just be extra things. All right, so let's unfocus and go through. So far in the daily assignments for this student, there's been 3 things assigned. Assignment 1, if I click on it, you'll see over here that it says turned in. It's been turned in. So this thing might not necessarily be 100%, but you have turned this in. This assignment has been turned in. Now, if I click on assignment 2, this is missing. That means it's late. Missing means that it is late. All right, missing means it is past the due date. So you really need to get this done because it's missing. All right, if I click on assignment 3, it's assigned. So that means that it's not late. You still have time to get it done, but you need to get it done. And right here it says when it is due. So due tomorrow, 11:59. So I'm going to go back to actually this one. This one's assigned. So if I was to click on the assignment, so directions say there's only one direction, and that is to finish the Google Forms assignment. So I go to the Google Forms assignment. Required, I'm going to answer it. What's x minus 2 equals 10? So how do you get rid of subtraction? You add. So 10 plus 2 is 12. So 12 minus 2 is 10. Submit it. I can view my score. I got it right. I got 1 out of 1. So I got 100% for this assignment. All right. So I can close out all that. And turned in. There we go. It now has refreshed and it says that I turned it in because you submitted the Google Form assignment. All right. Vocab. So we got daily assignments. I also put graded here because that means that everything in this is graded. So all of this is graded. Just like all of this will be graded also. All right, so vocab's graded. All right, so if I was to click on vocab, this is assigned. It is due September 4th at 3 p.m. I click on it, read the directions. Directions say go to the Google Form and finish the vocabulary assignment. So I click on Google Forms, I go to the vocab assignment, and I would submit it. Lesson videos. These are not graded. These are just some things to watch. Why does my mouse keep doing that? All right, you click on it, and you got a YouTube video, 15-minute YouTube video. And this lesson video is for assignment 1. So watching this video will help you with assignment 1. All right. And then later videos might say lesson video for assignment 3 and 5. So then that lesson video would help you with lessons or assignments 3 and 5. All right. Teacher notes. So these will be PDFs that you can click on. If you have a printer at home, you can print them out. I can always, if you want, I can maybe possibly put stuff out maybe for pickup, and you can pick up notes if you want hard copies of notes. If not, you can just look at these. So these are notes on types of linear solutions. So one solution, crosses, no solution, parallel. If you don't understand that yet, you will. But these are the color coordinated notes that I'll make. And then resource links. This is just a hyperlink to some exponent property examples. All right, so this is kind of the breakdown for your classes, excluding what is not in here. And why it's not in here is, let's go back to get my embedded video possibly. So what's not in here is assessments and projects. And those aren't in there because I have not assigned an assessment to this student. So once you get your first quiz, that category will pop up in here. Once you get your first project, projects will pop up in here. It's just because I haven't assigned those yet. All right. Now, let's get rid of the video again. Somewhere really important that all of you need to know where to go, which is a helpful place to go, is right here. View your work. All right. By the end of the semester, there's going to be a lot of stuff in here. All right. There's going to be a lot of stuff. And a quick place to go, instead of scrolling through all of it, is to click on View Your Work. So if you click on View Your Work, it's going to pop up all assigned, returned, missing. So right now it's on all. So I see that I have vocab 1, assignment 3, assignment 2, assignment 1. And for assignment 1, turned in. Assignment 2, missing. Assignment 3, turned in. And vocab 1, assigned. So I need to do this. That's done. I definitely need to do this. And that's done. All right, another way is you can go to assigned. And you quickly see, okay, these are the 2 things that are assigned that I have not completed yet. All right. So that's an important place to go. Another important place to go is up here in the top left corner, main menu, and click on classes. And in classes, you should be able to see right off the bat, it says in this class, I have something due on Friday. All right. Now, before, if you go back to the beginning of the video, it actually said that I had something else due. But while we were in this video, I finished that. So now I only have this thing due by Friday. All right. It will not show you late work. So there is a late assignment for this student, but it's not showing up. So to see that, you can go to your to-do task up here in the top left corner. This is going to show you everything though. All right, let me go back to that actually. If I'm in classes and I hit this to-do list, all right, if I hit this to-do list, this is going to bring up everything. Now, there's not much in here because this is a fake class. The student is only signed up for one fake class. This will show you your English. This will show you what you have to do for your English, what you have to do for your math, what you have to do for your science. This will show everything. I don't like that. I don't suggest looking here for your assignments. If it works for you, it works for you. But I prefer, and I think what you guys should do, is you should go into your individual class. You should go to your classwork, and then you should view your work, and then you should click on assigned, and this shows you exactly what you need to do in my class. All right. So I'm gonna do that one more time, and then I'm gonna conclude this video. I might make some other videos later on. This video is getting kind of long. So one more time, what I want you to do, you're gonna have 7 classes in here, right? If it's math period, I want you to click on your math class. If it's the beginning of the math class, I want you to read the very first post and read what the very first post at 8 a.m. or what time's the other class start at? 8 a.m., 90 minutes. At 9:45, when second period starts, all right, whenever the period starts, I want you to read this first post. If you're on study time, if you're just working on work, what you can do is you hit classwork, you go to view your work right here, you go to assigned, and then you finish. These are the 2 assignments that this student has to work on. All right, there's other ways to do it. This shows you everything. If you need to watch a video, another way to immediately get to the videos is you come over here and you just click on extra practice problems, and it will bring you up all of the videos. You just got to get familiar with it. I think for the sake of this video, though, that should be helpful to at least start out with, hopefully. I hope. I guess you guys can comment. Oof, this angle is not, and the lighting, not good. I look blue and pink. It's not great. Comment on the video. I'm going to post it to Google Classroom. Let me know if you'd like another video, and maybe I can make sure to explain other things within Google Classroom also. All right. Well, thank you for watching. I hope that helped a little bit.